Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to draw beard with charcoal pencil. So in first layer I am drawing small strokes for tiny hairs, and as you can see that the beard is thick and long. So I am drawing small to large strokes. This is also a layer by layer process. After the first layer, I blended with brush again. I blended with a flat brush. As you can see my previous video, the process is as same as we had done to draw hairs. Now I am going to draw this beard with indenting technique. But first of all, I am going to draw this small part without indenting, so that you can see the difference between indenting and without indenting technique. Those who want to see the video on how to draw hairs with charcoal, I will put a link in description. So without indenting, it is really difficult to give details. After 30 to 40 minutes, I have drawn this, and now I am showing you the indenting technique. In this technique, I took an empty pen. With this pen, I am drawing strokes in the direction of hairs with a little pressure so that the texture of the sheet changes. With this technique, the depth of the sheet changes, and when I draw strokes, that depth gives the highlights. So this technique is very efficient and easy. There are many indenting tools in market, but I used an empty pen. You can use those tools for indenting technique. As you can see that our beard is looking good and texture is also very nice. So I hope that you have learned something from this video. If you want a separate video on how to use indenting technique, then I will make a video on that too. So let's set a target for 120 subscribers. I will make a portrait for one lucky subscriber every month for free. I will choose randomly. So keep supporting guys. Thank you for watching, and those who are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel for new videos.